My name is Sister Teresa Jonge from Kenya. I work in CERRA-Africa. CERRA-Africa represents the Center for Religious, as you can see, a Center for Research in Religious Life and Apostolate in Africa. We work in collaboration with the Association of the Sisters of Kenya and also the Catholic University of Eastern Africa and also Tangasa University. This is a data center that was started about 5 years ago, and we are involved in research. Currently, we are here in Uganda to carry out a validation exercise for a research, children research that we are doing that is taking 10 years on the impact of education on sisters. It is an initiative that is funded by Hilton Foundation under the ASEC. So we are here, we carried out an exercise in January this year, collected data from the participants for about 15 number, and we came here yesterday and we have spent the whole day with them here validating those results. So we have 4 main themes that we look at when we talk about the impact of education. First of all, we look at how the education the sister has received has impacted on herself, on the individual. Then we look at the community that the sister lives in, a religious community. How has the education impacted on her community in terms of maybe generating more income for the individual community? We also look at the wider society in the community, the larger community. What has the impact done, or how has it been felt? So these are the areas that we look at. How is it changing the society? How is it, what is the benefit of this education that the sister is receiving? How is it transforming the lives of those around her and herself as well? So far for this initiative, we have several studies going on at the same time, but for the impact of education, we are working in 3 countries. We have Uganda, we have Kenya, and we have Zambia. Yes, we have enabled congregations to come up with the policies to bridge the gaps that have been identified in this research. And as I have said, we are just in the second year of the study. It's a 10-year study. So as we go on, I am very sure we are going to be identifying several gaps and then look for interventions to help the sisters improve. So far with the ASEC program, we have 150 sisters that are participating, so 50 from each of the 3 countries that we have talked about.
Okay.
Yeah. Most of them are full of praise for the program. They have been equipped with the skills that they didn't have, managerial skills, skills in technology, the use of technology. One of the things that these sisters get when they enroll is a laptop. So they are equipped with a laptop and they are taught the skills to be able to help them manage their ministries and also engage in the studies that they undertake. So they are given the laptop and then they are trained in different skills when it comes to finance, leadership skills. Others are sponsored to go to colleges to gain higher education.
Okay.
My name is Sister Maria Justine Nalule. I joined the CERRA-Africa in 2024. This program is about collecting data from the sisters that have been sponsored by Hilton Foundation project. And they want to see the impact of the sisters in the communities and the society where we work from the education that we have been empowered. And my experience with this program, it's a very good program because it has helped us to improve on our skills in our different fields of work. And when they carry out research, they come back, they give us the feedback, which feedback helps us to improve where we have not been doing well. It has really helped me with the knowledge and skills as a teacher, It has helped me to improve my administrative strategies, especially good relationship, working well with the people, listening skills, listening to them, and also embracing new ideas from other people. It has helped me to be humble, however much I get more educated. But I have learned that the more I get educated, the humbler I should become to help raise others by sharing my knowledge with them and also improving their leadership skills in the different departments in the school where I work. So it's a very good and impactful program that I feel all sisters should get involved, because it has really taught us a lot. And as sisters, I give advice to the sisters that even though we get educated, we need to not to use force, not to be proud in our field of work, but we need to bring change in a peaceful manner by discussing issues, not to force our own skills on others, because others have not received the chance we have received. So we need to share with them and help them to accept the change that CERRA-Africa want to see in the society and in our different work of our places of work.